In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to find and also how to recover deleted Facebook posts. So if you've deleted a Facebook post within the last 30 days, then you can actually go ahead and recover that post. So simply go to your Facebook app, either on Android or iOS, and at the top there, tap on your profile icon on the right hand side. You can see right there on the main menu. That opens the main menu page. Now on the menu page, tap on your profile name. That should take you to your Facebook profile, and you should see the three dots right there on your profile page. So tap on those three dots. That opens your profile settings. Select archive. Okay, and once you select archive, then you can go ahead and tap on recycle bin. And here you should see a list of all the posts that you've deleted on Facebook within the last 30 days. Now I only have one, but if you've deleted more, then you might have more here. So what you need to do is tap on the three dots on the right hand side of the specific post, and then select restore to profile if you want to recover it, or if you want to put it back on Facebook, you can simply tap on restore to profile. Now, in case you don't want it to be deleted permanently, because it will after 30 days, then you can go ahead and tap on move to archive, and then it's going to be removed from the recycle bin into the archive. Now in the archive, the Facebook post will remain there for as long as you want, although it's not going to be appearing in your Facebook profile on your friend's feed. Also, you can just have the option to view the post itself. If there are any comments, you can see them. If there are any likes, you can see them from there. But that's basically how to see, find, and also recover deleted Facebook posts. Now, if a post has been deleted for more than 30 days and it's no longer available in the recycle bin, then unfortunately you'll not be able to recover that specific Facebook post. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.